Just because nature calls doesn't mean that nature is the best place to leave it. And now you don't have to, with the portable toilet from Alpcour. It's an efficient, sanitary toilet you can take anywhere and use with absolute comfort and ease. As long as you have a couple gallons of water, the portable toilet will provide you with ample flushes for even a large group, complete 360-degree rinse when flushing, anti-leak drain valve that keeps in waste and smells, and, thanks to the 5.3-gallon cistern and natural deodorizing components, you can go a long time without having to empty it out. When you do finally empty it out, you can do so safely and hygienically with the rotating spout, and use the sprayer that comes with the toilet to clean the seat. On top of all that, the portable toilet is completely self-contained. No plumbing, electricity, or water hookups needed. Just bring it along with you in the included carry bag. Don't toil with remote lavatory issues ever again with the portable toilet from Alpcour.